Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Geometry Excellence Television. Okay, given right triangle application problems, we're going to solve missing side lengths by using sine, cosine, and tangent. We're going to use real-life situations. Oh, yeah. Okay, more trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA style. Yeah. Okay. So, trigonometry is used in real-world situations that can be boiled down to right triangle problems. Okay, so here are the two things you need to know. The first is the angle of elevation. It's an angle from the ground up to an object. So if you have a tree right here, look at this wonderful tree I'm going to draw. Look at this wonderful tree, boom, but you can't draw one as good as that. And you're sitting here on the ground and you're looking up. That is the angle of elevation. Boom. Okay, also you need to know this, the angle of depression. It's an angle for looking straight ahead down to an object. It's an angle of depression. So if you're sitting here, toot, 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 and you want to look at something on the ground right there, so this right here, that angle, so you see the right triangle here, so this angle here as you're looking down, that's the angle of depression. Whoop! Okay, so those are the two things you know. Let's apply this. Here we go. Okay, so let's erase this first. Scott, whose eye level is 1.5 meters above the ground. So here's Scott. Boom. Boom. There's his eye level, 1.5 meters tall. Okay, he stands 30 meters from the tree. So it's from the tree right here, 30 meters. Bam. The angle of elevation of a bird at the top of the tree is 36. The angle of elevation, so he's looking at it here with his eyes, and so the angle of elevation here is 36 degrees. How far above the ground is the bird? So I'm looking for all of this right here. So the only thing I know right now is that this is 1.5 meters right here to here, because this is also. So I need this distance here. So that's x. So once I get x, I'm going to add it to 1.5, and I'm going to get the full height of the bird from the ground. So I need to look at this triangle here. Oh, if this is 30 here, this is also 30. So check it out. So I'm just going to write this over here. So this is 36 degrees, this is 30, and this is x. Right triangle, right triangle. So this right here is what I'm trying to get. Once I get x, I can add 1.5, and I'm good. Okay, so what am I going to do? I have opposite. This is the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. Okay, so I have opposite and adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. So opposite and adjacent, that means I'm using tangent. Yes, using tangent. Okay, so I'm going to go tangent of 36 equals opposite x over adjacent 30. Boom, put tangent 36 over 1. Now it's time to cross multiply. X times 1 is x. 30 times tangent 36. Get your calculator going. Make sure it is in degree mode. 30 tangent 36 is 21.79. Equals 21.79 approximately meters. Whoop. So this right here, boom, is 21.79 meters about. So this is 21.79 meters. I'm going to add to the 1.5 plus 1.5. Boom, calculator it up again. Boom, plus 1.5. And the birdie is 23.29. 23.29 meters above the ground. There you go. So we got it. Want to see that again? Yeah, let's see another one right here. Okay. From an angle of depression of 40 degrees, okay, John watches a friend approach his building. So John is watching his friend. Boom. Angle of depression is going to be 40 degrees. Mark it up. The rooftop is 16 meters from the ground. So the rooftop here, 16 meters from the ground. And John's eye level is about 1.8 meters from the rooftop. So his eye right here, this is 1.8 meters tall. Okay. What is the distance between John's friend and the building? Okay, John's friend, here's the friend here, and the building. So right here is the building, so that's X. Okay, so what am I going to do? I have a right triangle right here, and I have an angle. So I'm just going to split this off. So that this angle of depression is 40 degrees. We know that this is X right here. This is 16 plus 1.8, which is 17.8 meters. 17.8 meters. Okay, so what am I going to do to get X? That's what I need to find out. First, I got to mark this up. Ooh, right triangle here. So right triangle means I can use trigonometry. Oh yeah! So this is going to be opposite. This is going to be adjacent, and opposite the right triangle is hypotenuse. So I got opposite and adjacent again. Oh yeah, I know what that is. Tangent. So the tangent of 40 equals opposite, which is X, divided by the adjacent, which is 17.8. Whoop. Okay, cross multiply. 1 times X is X, and I have 17.8 times the tangent of 40. Okay, calculator that up, and that should be my final answer. So I got 17.8 tangent 40, boop, and it's about 14.94, about 14.94 meters. So that's how far this is, 14.94 meters, about. That's why I take the equal sign and put a squiggly. That means about, so that I've rounded, because the decimal is actually much longer than 0.94 and 0.95. Okay? Got it! All right, let's try uno más. Uno más. Here you go. Try and do this one on your own, okay? So this one, pause the video, see if you can get it. Ready, set, go. All right, we back? Let's try it. See if you got what I got. If not, just fix on your paper. We're still learning, right? Standing on the gallery of a lighthouse, the deck at the top of the lighthouse, a person spots a ship of angle of depression of 20 degrees. So, whoop, person spotting the ship. Angle of depression, 20 degrees, bam. The lighthouse is 28 meters tall. Boom. And sits on a cliff 45 meters tall, as measured from sea level. What is the horizontal distance between the lighthouse and the ship? Okay, so here's the lighthouse, whoop, and the ship right here. So this is what I'm trying to find. This right here, so this is X. Okay, so where am I at? Whoop. So now if I'm going to peel this thing off, and I have 45 plus 28 here, so 45 is the cliff plus 28 for the lighthouse. That would be 73. 73 meters right there, tall. That's what the guy's looking at. So we have 20 degrees here, and I'm looking for X. Okay, let's mark it up. So Katoa, this is my hypotenuse. This is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. So therefore, I have the tangent. Again? Yeah, again. Tangent of 20 equals X over 73. All right, so let's cross multiply. X times 1 is X. 73 times tangent of 20. Okay, 73 tangent 20, bam. And I get X is aboutski 26.57 meters. There you go. So 26.57 meters is that distance right there. Okay? Nice job. Now it's time to do one on your own. So there's number 1 right here, number 2 right here. Do those on your own. Then you got 3 right here and 4 right there. Knock them out. Good work, everybody.